So witches, this is Eisen. Today I'm going to show you how I rigged my phone to work, although the power button and home button don't work. So I've got this delicious wiggle of the tongue pink iPhone SE, but the thing is, it went into boot loop a few months ago. I got my brother to replace the battery, because I figured what's the frickin' use of deleting all my stuff. And when it was all put back together last night, we found that in addition to the home button not being able to pick up a fingerprint, it didn't work at all. And neither did the power button, which the power button didn't frickin' work in the first place. Half the time it would work, half the time it wouldn't. So I was just screen recording everything instead of taking screenshots, because I didn't know how to work the controls. Now I will show you the controls I used. So when I flipped the phone on, since I never had it at raised to light up the display or fricking whatever, I don't know, that's just a feature that cool people like me don't fricking use. It's just lit to be able to put up your phone and frickin' wipe it on your shoulder to get the grease off without the display full send turning on. So the way I've learned to flip the display on is to hit the notification switch, whether it's vibrate or ringer, and that'll get your phone back on again somehow. I suppose so that you know if your alarm's gonna go off or not. Another bit of a goof feature. And so then I've got my little fricker on the side there, next to my good old boy Logan Paul and his good old buddy Mike Malak. If I hit that once, it'll hit the home button and I'll be able to type in my passcode. If I hit it twice, I'll get a screenshot, and if I do a long press, it'll trigger the power button and turn the phone off. You can rig that all up in settings, which is pretty frickin' lit. So, although the home button and power buttons don't frickin' work, I have a working phone, which is frickin' lit. So there you go, homies. Wiggle your tongues at your phone. But if it's not an up-to-date phone, this probably won't work. So, you'll just have to extend some fixing. But yeet, eyes out.